Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of project management and learn how to create a project on Podio. Now, I know you might be thinking, Podio? What's that? Well, it's a powerful collaboration and project management tool that can help you stay organized, track your progress, and collaborate with your team more effectively. But before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's take a moment to think about why you might want to use Podio. Why use Podio? Podio is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of projects, from small-scale tasks to large-scale initiatives. Some of the key benefits of using Podio include customization. Podio is highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific needs and workflows. Collaboration. Podio makes it easy to collaborate with your team members, no matter where they are located. Task management. Podio provides a comprehensive task management system that allows you to track your progress and ensure that all of your tasks are completed on time. Reporting. Podio provides a variety of reporting tools that allow you to track your progress and generate reports on your projects. So, how do you create a project on Podio? Let's get started. Step 1. Create a workspace. Before you can create a project, you need to create a workspace. A workspace is a container for your projects, apps, and team members. To create a workspace, simply click on the Create Workspace button in the top right corner of the Podio dashboard. Step 2. Add apps. Once you have created a workspace, you need to add the apps that you want to use. Podio has a variety of apps available, including tasks, projects, discussions, files, and reports. To add an app, simply click on the Add App button in the top left corner of the Workspace dashboard. Step 3. Create a project. Once you have added the apps that you want to use, you can create a project. To create a project, simply click on the Projects app and then click on the New Project button. Step 4. Define your project. Once you have created a project, you need to define it by providing a name, description, and due date. You can also add tags to your project to help you organize it. Step 5. Add tasks. Once you have defined your project, you can add tasks to it. To add a task, simply click on the Tasks app and then click on the New Task button. Step 6. Assign tasks to team members. Once you have added tasks to your project, you can assign them to team members. To assign a task to a team member, simply click on the task and then select the team member who should be assigned to it. Step 7. Track your progress. Once you have created and assigned tasks to your project, you can track your progress using the Podio dashboard. The dashboard provides you with an overview of your projects, tasks, and team members. And that's it. You have successfully created a project on Podio. Now you can start using it to manage your projects and collaborate with your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.